I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your mobile number from EE to Otwo, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Make sure your EE account is active and not under any contract obligations. If you're still in a contract, you may need to pay off any remaining balance. Step 2. Request a PAC code. Contact EE customer service to request supporting authorization code to PAC. This code is essential for transferring your number and is usually provided within a few minutes. Step 3. Sign up with Otwo. Once you have your PAC code, go to an Otwo store or their website to set up your new account. Provide your PAC code during the sign-up process to initiate the transfer. Step 4. Wait for the transfer. After you've signed up, the number transfer usually takes 1 working day. Keep your old SIM in your phone until the transfer is complete to avoid any service interruptions. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Once the transfer is complete, you should receive a confirmation from Otwo. Test your new SIM to ensure your number has been successfully ported. If you encounter issues, contact Otwo support for assistance. Switching networks can seem daunting, but following these steps should help you port your number without a hitch. Good luck with your new Otwo service.